Let's try this one. A 25 ml solution of H2SO4 is neutralized by 18 ml of 1 molar NaOH. What is the concentration of the H2SO4 solution? First step is to write the balance equation of the reaction. So we have H2SO4 plus NaOH. These are strong acid and base. And so we have H2O plus salt, which is Na2SO4. I suppose you know how to balance equations already? So your balance chemical equation would look like this. The balance equation tells us that 1 mole of H2SO4 will be neutralized by 2 moles of NaOH, giving us a mole ratio of 1:2. And this ratio will be used later on in the remaining steps. For the second step, we need to find the number of moles of the known solution. To do that, we need to identify all the quantities that are given. Let's start with 25 ml, that's for H2SO4, but we want it to be in liters, so that is 0.025 liters. The molarity of H2SO4 is the one that we're looking for. For NaOH, that would be 18 ml or 0.018 liters. The concentration in terms of molarity is 1 mole per liter. And I want to bring this one out. Molarity is the number of moles per volume in terms of liter. And so, we can say that the number of moles is equal to molarity times the volume liter. So computing for the number of moles, we have 1 mole per liter times 0.018 liters. That will give us 0.018 moles of NaOH. And for our third step, use mole ratio to find the moles of the unknown solution. And as I've said earlier, we can identify the mole ratio from the valence chemical reaction. Therefore, our mole ratio is 1:2. 1 is your acid and 2 is your base. We will multiply the mole ratio and the number of moles of NaOH. So we have 0.018 mole of NaOH multiplied by 1 mole of H2SO4 divided by 2 moles of NaOH. As you notice, I place 1 mole of H2SO4 as the numerator and 2 moles of NaOH as denominator because I'm trying to get rid of NaOH. You can always swap the mole ratio depending on which one you want to solve. So the number of moles for H2SO4 is 0.009 moles. For our last step, solve for the concentration of the unknown solution. And we can do that using the formula for molarity. Molarity is the number of moles over volume. And therefore, molarity is equal to 0.009 mole divided by 0.025 liters. And that will give us 0.36 mole per liter, and that is the concentration of H2SO4.